Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Darling, once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect and union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.
Atopolo, ati konko. What differences?
Peace.
Thank you. Oh, Rigi. What have I done again, Biko?
Peace.
Biko, leave me. Just leave me and face the firing squad that is facing you. Don't put me inside before stubborn fly go follow cops enter grave. Hapomak nenya on one nigga face yenya.
Okay.
On one nigga.
Somebody's weak. He's going. Somebody's weak. He's going. Gone. Yes. Somebody's weak.
Taju.
Going. Somebody's weak. He's going. Gone. Somebody's weak. He's going. Gone.
Taju.
Somebody's
Taju.
He's going.
I am talking to you. You are taking me to dance. And so, that one, yeah. The one you said is enough.
No.
Oh, Guinea. Are you talking to me? Who else has been barking like a dog since morning?
And who is she terrorizing this morning, Terrorist. Oh, Mommy, good morning, ma. You are most welcome. You must be my darling Sistikuli's sister. He's told me so much about you, how you took care of him, how you carried him on his back, how you fed him. In short, if you hear the plans that your brother has for you, Mommy, he wants to buy you a car, buy you a house.
Me, car. Taju,
Hey, sister.
Honey boy, tell her now.
Oh, may you live long. And you allow me to abuse you from head to toe.
Mommy, you do not understand my sweet chocolate candy. He's a man of action. In fact, to be honest with you, just this morning we were discussing it. He wants me to take you to London for the summer.
London!
Not so, my love.
Sister.
I told you, oh, my darling mother-in-law, you're welcome.
Yeah, oh, you are a good wife.
Oh, my sweet sister.
Since you are coming into our house, may good luck follow you.
Oh, thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Mommy, in short, I'm so happy to meet you, my darling sister-in-law. But why are you sitting in the sun? Honey, why would you let Mama sit in the sun?
Sister.
Mama, please come upstairs. The sun is too hot. And I'm sure that these 3 witches could not even offer you a glass of water to
They did not.
Be careful there.
They did not. In fact, nothing good has happened to me since they all came to meet me here. Let me stand up for you. Hey, Wuchimu, you will born boy and you will born girl.
Amen, ma.
You will born another boy and girl.
Amen,
Twins.
ma.
You will born triplets. You will born 4plets.
Thank you, ma.
You will born 5plets. You will born 6plets. You will even born 7plets.
You will burn 8 plates.
Hey, Uchi.
Thank you.
Honey boy, please bring her upstairs. It's so hot. Bring mommy upstairs, please. Take her away from this terrorist.
Uchi, thank you. Thank you, Yari. Bring her upstairs. Jibiti. Yellow cookie, scatter it. Thank you.
Ireti, you will burn 11 plates.
So kini pelekun? Senior. Where is that your ladder? You better get it before your week, because your week is gone, like bazaar, is gone, your week is gone. Hey, shalala ime.
Oh, mommy, here you go. This should calm you down. Oh, please wait, ma. My darling taught me a special way to give this to you.
Omo Dada, Uche, you are a good wife.
Thank you, ma. Mommy, please sit down. You've been in the sun since morning. Please sit down and relax and rest your back. Honey, pack your things from the center of the room now. Do you want mommy to trip?
Where are you traveling to?
I was...
Haba, baby boy. You didn't tell mommy that you're leaving your comfortable home to move downstairs with Peaceless.
Taju.
Sister.
Taju.
Sister.
Taju. I called you 3 times. Are you sure you are okay?
Mommy, while I leave you two to your cozy family chat, I want to go into the kitchen and prepare a special light breakfast for my darling mother-in-law. What would you like? We have sausage, eggs, Spanish omelette, indomie, bacon, ham, cheese. What would you like, Mom?
Iyon.
Sister. She said light breakfast. Pounded yam is not light breakfast.
Hey, but she asked me what I want. And I want pounded yam.
And what my mother-in-law wants, she gets. 1 plate of pounded yam coming right up.
Taju, don't use this your ugly face to spoil this beautiful house.
Sister, pounded yam this early morning.
Hey, I was just testing her. I want to know if she can cook our native food.
Anyway, I have an appointment this morning.
Hey, go now. My Yahoo will take care of me. And when you come back in the night, we will discuss why I come. And as for packing downstairs to that Eyimba woman, Emi Orobeo. Thank you, Daddy.
Bambara nuts flour, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, palm oil,
Ireti o.
garlic and ginger.
Chineke. Ireti. Is it not okpa that you are trying to prepare, Ireti?
What is okpa? Some local Igbo delicacy.
Hey. Yes. It is an Igbo delicacy. They don't put garlic and nutmeg and no curry and ginger. Better read your book very well. And then, if your glasses are weak, go and borrow Mama Moji's own. And make sure you have finished that your experiment before I come back.
So that what will happen?
So that I can cook for my husband.
That's one that is sitting with his sister upstairs, enjoying well-prepared Port Harcourt dishes, mixed with Korean and British cuisine.
Corral, British, when they finish trying, Chief will come down to the exquisite African cooking. Inano? Wow! Okay, Amara. Bye-bye.
Oh, shit. You better go and clean up that red and blue that you use in painting your face, because it will not work with Chief today. Even the one tied around your waist will not work. You this artificial yellow purple. Sure, Shira Laga Oshi, Shira Bogo, Okoro feeling funky lásán. Hey! Nname, Igbo, Lekoi, John Koga. Ha! Ọmọ oníṣan Igbo, ọmọ wèrè. Òṣì ò dáa, wọ́n tó mọ kankan tó mọ mẹ̀mẹ̀.
What was it you just said?
Me? When? Senior Romaji.
Was it my imagination? Hey, Ireti, is it not me that you just abused now?
Senior me? When? I can't do it. You know now, senior.
I thought as much. Because if not, Ireti. Ireti chagi, Ireti. Info chagi mwata.
Senior.
Hey! I will make sure that before you leave that kitchen,
Thank you.
Cancel. Frogwood. Makapu. Anofia.
Hey, thanks for the compliment, senior.
Ne toko puta fosi ni di. Bachala nyagnuna.
Thank you, senior.
Sibuku. Ndi na-esi ọkpasị na ha na-esi ketchup na curry. La oza.
Bye bye, senior. Look at her, lazy bones. Just when I was getting ready to beat the living daylight out of her, she sneaked out. I told you now, even 20 of you cannot stand me. It has nothing to do with size. Whether you are short and thick or not, it does not matter. Okoroshi, shorty ekpe, idiots. Come back and meet me here. I will leave my cooking and face you.
Darling.
I don't see the reason why I should not move into that flat.
But sister, this is a family house.
I am family care.
I know, but you should live with your husband in his house.
Oh, he can come and live here with me. I don't see why everybody should be enjoying this new money.
Sister, there's no new money.
There's money.
There is no new money.
There's money. There's money. Moreover, you need somebody to protect you from those wicked witches you call wives.
Sister, I'm all right.
You are not all right, Aju. You are not all right. If you are all right, how can you leave a beautiful girl like that in a beautiful house like this and go and meet that yellow double trouble? I'm sure she's the one who told you not to give me the flowers.
Sister, she never said such a thing. She didn't say anything like that.
Mommy, why are you protesting? You know she said it now.
Carol!
I'm sorry, Mommy, please. Baby boy, help Mama up now. This way, Mama.
Yes, thank you very much.
I hope the pepper is not too much. Baby boy, why are you waving your hands like yellow fever?
Where is my own food now?
Oh, I'm so sorry, my darling. I didn't make any food for you since you're moving downstairs with the terrorists.
What do you think you are doing?
Honey, what am I doing?
Why are you giving her all the food? Where is my own?
Downstairs now.
Downstairs. You better bring my own food now if you know what is good for you. Nonsense.
Please forgive me. I am so sorry. My sweet sister says I did not give you enough food, so here, I have brought some more.
All this for me?
No!
Yes, ma'am.
Everything. No! How can it be everything? Look at what I'm happening. Sister, leave that. Sister, leave that. Your life
it's for me. Leave it. Leave it. Don't argue with me. Into my shame, don't tell me what is not. I have said what I have to say. I think it is about time that yellow double trouble should go back to Igbo land.
Sister, Peace is my wife and I love her.
She has used her Ogbanji to blind you and block your ears. Like Pajami said.
Sister, when has Pajami ever seen anything good in her family? When?
Okay. What of the vision we saw at the night vigil of the Thunder and Lightning Prayer Band Ministry?
Sister, you saw vision in a church?
No. I gave money to my friend Usila to pray for me, and the apostle saw the vision.
Anyway, let me tell you, sister, no bishop, no Pajami or any Afa can convince me that my tapaciously succulent, peaceful yellow tomatoes is doing any juju for me. You hear me? This loves me.
Who will not love you? When you have money, yafu, yafu, yafu.
Mommy, not me. As for me, mine is true love. I love Chi from the bottom of my heart. But as for that, your so-called wife, Peace, when next you see her, be sure to inquire from her who Callistus Mbada is.
Callis what?
Callistus Mbagada.
Callistus Mbagada. Who the hell is Callistus Mbagada?
Well, honey, I'm sure that terrorist is in the best position to answer that.
Daddy! Peace! Peace!
Tadu!
Peace!
Tadu!
Peace!
Tadu, wait!
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, pollution. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions,